Hi everyone, welcome to Becoming Ordinary Vlog Edition. This week I am focusing on eating disorders. You may not know, but it is National Eating Disorders Awareness Week, and I personally struggled with a very severe eating disorder in my late teens and 20s. So it's my aim this week to bring awareness, to bring a message of hope for recovery, and maybe some guidance for those who are feeling lost. So join me on this 6-day journey where I will be posting 6 different things that I would like to say to those who are suffering from an eating disorder, or for family members who are helping somebody who's suffering. So today I'm going to start with number 1. The first thing I'd like to say is that you are separate from your eating disorder. This is a tricky one because it's very difficult to differentiate between who you are, your own inner voice, your own Jiminy Cricket, and your eating disorder. But my voice, when I heard it, I'm going to sound like a crazy person now, but my eating disorder voice was a male voice and was quite harsh with me, very negative, very judgmental. And I found it really difficult at first because I said, well, I want to do this. I'm starving myself, I'm dieting, I'm exercising. But somewhere along the way, the eating disorder voice gets louder and louder, and somehow you start to get lost. And what you have to find is that person. Who were you before all of the diets, before the obsessive calorie count, before your taking of your measurements or the number on the scale? Who were you? A young girl who just wanted to be happy or fulfilled, wanted maybe to implement a little more self-discipline in your life. But hear me when I say this, you are not your eating disorder, and it's time to fight back. It's going to take some work, but it can be done.